open your Canva app, come to templates, and then search for presentation. Pick any of the template you like. Click on customize this template. Now what we're gonna do, what makes a presentation really special is their animation. As you can see, if we zoom in, there is no animation here, so it looks really dull. So what we're going to do is add animations to the objects. For example, if we select this, go to animate, and then let's say we add this rotate effect, you will be able to see how much it increases the looks of our presentation. Let's zoom in now. As you can see, it literally changed the whole vibe of the presentation. And now you can add your own text. For example, let's say futuristic presentation. Let's say we don't want that. Let's change the font to something futuristic. So we're gonna go with this one. Then go to elements and search for decorative line stroke, and then select the one you prefer. I'm gonna select this one. Change the color to white if your background is black. Rotate it accordingly. I want this to come down from the futuristic text, and then let's add another text, duplicate it with Canva. Let's say I want to change this font to Times Roman. Let's make the background white and the text somewhat yellow. As you can see, you cannot see the line stroke now, so I'll make the line stroke black. Let's mess around with this element a little bit. Let's choose a deeper color. Deeper shade of yellow. And we're done. Now if we preview this, let's do a full screen preview. You can see that we made a really futuristic looking slide with Canva within a few minutes. Now if you go to each of these pages, you can add your own agendas. You can just go and tell AI to write stuff. Let's go to ChatGPT or Gemini, and if you tell them to write stuff, they will write stuff. And make sure to add an animation to your elements. For example, there are these tabs, right? Now if you zoom in, It looks really straightforward. You can see there is an element back there. If you add an animation to your element, and if you add few animations to these element as well, for example, let's add this one, and let's add this one to all of them, right? Now let's preview it. As you can see, it elevates the whole look of your presentation. And after you're done making all the slides, here we have another elements. So you're going to select the elements, click animate, so guys, this is how you can make a premium looking presentation, a futuristic presentation with Canva. Thank you for watching.